hello, namaskar. Welcome to another vlog. आज का vlog, like today's vlog, I think I would try to stick to Hindi, mostly Hindi and then Bengali and English because we have somebody here with us who speaks Hindi. And if she ever wants to go back and watch this, I don't want her to see the video and be like, I don't understand what's happening. It's a Sunday. It's one of the Sundays where it's actually a Sunday because you can see the sun. So, good Sunday. And this friend that we were talking about, she's moving back to India, and we thought that let's just go somewhere. So we are not planning anything, but we've just found a place. I'll tell you what it is. And we're just gonna go. We're gonna see how we can make it there, how the day turns out to be. So that's the plan. We just got ready. I got ready. They are getting ready. Oronik has gone to pick up the car. So he's gonna get the car, he's gonna come here, and then we're gonna go. Yeah. This is something that I got from Zudio. So this year when I went back to India, I did a lot of shopping, but only from Zudio. And people were laughing that why are you spending so much money on Zudio? Look at this. So cool. And the earring courtesy is basically, this is Oritra's. Roma sort of borrowed it from Oritra. And then Roma returned it to Oritra via me, and I forgot to return it to her, so I just found it in my purse. So, thanks. Let's go. Kemal lagche? It's gonna rain. It didn't wait for a couple of hours, it just started raining. It's right above my head. One good day we wanted. So, Jams went to the US last weekend. They went to Scranton and he went to the Costco there and he found this Dots pretzels. Basically, it looks like this. It's amazing. It's amazing. So, if you are in the States, if you're watching this, go grab this. This is like amazing. I just hope the sun comes out, please. Okay, so now you're ready.
I'm ready to be in your vlog.
How excited are you?
Very. For the trip or for...
For everything.
I'm excited for the camera.
For the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Get this. ধর ভাই সারাদিন ইদার বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে না হলে বরফ পড়ছে.
It says... It shows me New Delhi's weather.
Who cares right now? Why you have everything apart from where you are? You didn't even put the sunscreen. Where's the sun?
Wear makeup.
I did.
I'm wearing more makeup than you.
I have like so many jokes, but I don't know you that much to crack yet.
It's okay.
Lecture. বৃষ্টি পড়ছে বাইরে. No, I thought I could pull it. I didn't know I could press it also. So this is the car he booked. Oh, this looks great. This is good enough for 4 of us. I'm just happy I'm getting a window. मुझे यार सब बीच में बिठा देते हैं. So basically going to grab some food. He has gone to a different side only. Did you place an order for pickup? You just went?
Yeah.
Wow. Is it not a nice coffee?
I want less ice.
Can't lie, it does look very, very beautiful. But it started raining again. But we were saying कि वहाँ पे corner में you can see the sun. Like see?
हाँ. These are full black. यहाँ तो होगी बारिश.
Started raining.
मुझे drive करना पड़ता उसके बाद.
Finally, there's some sun.
Looks like it.
So we are going to what's usually called the most beautiful village in Ontario. It's a very pretty picturesque village which is around 1.5 hours away from Toronto. So we drove, and as you can see on both the sides, it was beautiful, like Microsoft wallpaper or probably prettier than that. And we didn't see much people, just cattle and farmers farming. So we also saw a lot of farmers market, which is basically freshly grown vegetables brought to a market for sale. So for Indians, it's hamara normal market. There's nobody. Well, there's no one at the back also. যদিও আমরা যখন বেরিয়েছিলাম তখন বৃষ্টি পড়ছিল। বাই দ্য টাইম উই অলমোস্ট রিচ দ্য ডেস্টিনেশন। ওয়েদার এত সুন্দর, চারিদিকের মাঠ ঘাট নেই, মাঠ এত সুন্দর যে 1.5 ঘন্টা যে কীভাবে কেটে গেল উই ডিডন্ট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড। হাউ ডু ইউ লাইক দ্য ওয়েদার? নাইস ওয়েদার, বিউটিফুল। So we just reached Elora.
Yes.
So we're at the Tim Hortons. We're gonna order something sweet and then we're gonna go and see Elora. We are in Elora. This is like a small gas station. But now the challenge is हमें यहाँ से किसी से पूछना पड़ेगा कि यहाँ पे करना क्या है. What is the itinerary that we should follow because we have no plans. We're gonna go and see किसी से पूछ के कि क्या कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. I should have carried my mic, but
मैंने कहा था गूगल कर लेते हैं. You said वहीं जाके देखेंगे.
हाँ तो अभी देखेंगे ना, पूछेंगे किसी से. चलो ना पूछते हैं हम लोग. He's asking what to do. Should we go to the cave?
Yeah.
I don't know.
यहाँ भी अजंता एलोरा
How
caves
much
है।
what is he asking? He's giving full story.
इन लोग को पूछने का यही प्रॉब्लम है। एक बात कर लो बस।
एक ही सवाल पूछना था.
It's in downtown, so that strip is pretty good to walk. There are like a lot of restaurants. And
What
stuff.
about the cave that we saw?
Yeah, so it's that side. There's
Are
a
we going?
Conservation center.
Jabe?
Yeah, we can
Let's
go
go
there.
there first and then go.
Yeah.
So let's eat, go to the cave, and then we'll go to the village.
Yeah.
तो अंदर घूम नहीं सकता।
वो ये पिकनिक का सामान उठा ले हम अपना. Snacks. What do you think? खाते हैं. मुझे ऐसी जगह घूमना पसंद है.
Outdoors.
यहाँ पे ऐसे वाइट फुटप्रिंट्स लगे हुए हैं. हमें बस वही फॉलो करनी है अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. Which I don't know if you're following. Where are the yellow marks? So why are we going this side? तिरपल लगी है छोड़ देखो. You know what is a तिरपल? अरे I'm asking her.
What is that animal?
Which animal?
वो सामने क्या है?
Dog, yeah.
Oh. I got scared. Hi. Hi. We heard that there's a cave somewhere around here. Do you know if it's?
Yes, what you need to go there, follow the path down, and you see it on, I believe, the right-hand side of the bridge.
Oh wow, perfect. Thank you. Have a good day.
चालू हुआ नहीं हाइक की इनके शूज। माय फर्स्ट थॉट इज कितना ही चलना पड़ेगा।
কেমন লাগছে এতটা হেঁটে?
হাঁটি নি তো অতটা, একটুখানি ঠান্ডা।
একটু ঠান্ডা, রোদ আছে মাঝখানে মাঝখানে। জঙ্গল জঙ্গল ফিলিং আসছে না?
Feeling jungle.
It is jungle.
We haven't seen any caves, no? Yeah, there's this cave that goes down to a cave. It's gonna be.
It's in the middle of nowhere. टाके डाकছে भाइयों।
चेक कर रही हूँ.
कोई आवाज दे दिया तो अंदर से?
तो फिर नहीं जाएंगे आगे.
I think this is like an abandoned place.
I think वो कह रहे हो कि यहाँ वॉशरूम्स है, वहाँ पे लिखा तो है कुछ.
आप जाके देख के आओ, मिला तो बता देना।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, I'm fine.
आगे वॉशरूम जाने से पहले ही वॉशरूम हो जाएगा।
चलो मिल गया 10 minutes का walk.
How far is it?
I heard 1 kilometer.
अभी नहीं हुआ है, इसके जूते खुल गए अभी से।
स्टार्ट हो गया, चालू हुआ नहीं हाइक की, इनके शूलेस।
हम लोग इतना जोर से भाग के इनको क्रॉस किए, इसके जूते की वजह से वी आर नाउ स्टक इन बिटवीन। वी आर लिटरली स्टक इन बिटवीन अ फैमिली ग्रुप। दिस इज इन फ्रंट एंड दिस इज द बैक।
अलोन और पीस के लिए आए थे।
मुझे पानी तो सुनाई दे रहा है।
रियली?
नहीं,
वो हवा है।
पानी भी है।
देखते चलो भाई, नीचे रूट्स वगैरह है।
ओके लेट्स गो।
ये ओ एक्सक्यूज मी गाइस, यही है केव, ये इतना पोर्शन,
दैट्स द केव।
दैट्स द केव। आर यू सीरियस? देख लो, सब देख लो।
इससे बड़े केव्स तो मुंबई में, मुंबई पुणे जाते वक्त रास्ते में होते हैं।
इट्स ब्यूटीफुल।
वाओई!
Can't believe this.
Oh no guys, no,
Oh,
no, no,
wait.
no, no. It's
There is.
amazing. Sorry. Oh. You were right.
चल जा।
Do ba 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 do boo doo a boo ba do boo boo ba do